Hello friends, welcome to this new course by VJ Exports Mastery Courses and Services. The title of which is Learn Entire Export Digital Marketing in One Course. Friends, the real success of any international company who is looking for large export markets for their products and services lies in understanding the methods, tips, techniques, tools, and tricks of carrying out export digital marketing function in such a way that it is not expensive, it is highly simplified, it is easy to carry out, and it does not require very strong manpower or very strong knowledge and special training. So my idea of creating this course has been to share with you some very rare techniques which are used by very few companies in the world to boost their exports. And those tips, techniques, and tricks are not expensive actually. It is just the matter of knowing how to use those techniques, those methods to make it easy and cheaper to create a export marketing empire in the world. But friends, very important thing which I want to share with you, and that is the main reason of this course which I have created, which is the understanding the entire export digital marketing in single course, one course. The fact remains that these digital marketing techniques in tidbits you can find from several places on YouTube, on many different digital marketing courses, on Udemy itself. But the issue remains that how can you do these things effectively, how you can actually get results in export digital marketing is only when you understand this world. Only when you understand how this global business world works. What are the basic concepts of understanding this very fast changing world? So friends, what I'm trying to tell you that the significance of this export digital marketing has only emerged because of a very starkly different world which has emerged in last maximum 1 decade or little more. So the world has changed, the technology has changed, the logistics has changed, the internet and communication technology has become so advanced that it has become very, very important to exploit these new advancements for any exporter to be very, very effective and be able to exploit these opportunities, business opportunities in the international market in a much shorter way, in a way which is easy, which is not very expensive and sometimes free. So what I'm trying to do in this course, friends, that first part of this course I will make you understand that how this world works and what are the basic things which you should know before you do the export digital marketing. Because in export digital marketing you have to communicate, you have to give the message, and those messages are not standard messages. Those messages are customized to the different target groups, different people of different cultures in the world, and they are very cryptically created based on your knowledge of the world. So if you do not have that basic knowledge of the world, it will be very, very difficult to create the right messages, which will be your main job. So once you have the infrastructure ready for export digital marketing, you will be able to succeed in this export digital marketing only when you can communicate with your target groups in the right manner, at the right time, and with the right understanding. So herein few things will be very similar to what you see in very normal digital marketing courses, like how to create your e-commerce website, which I'll be talking about in a very short way, and how to create your online export store. And also I will talk about that what are the secrets of engaging customers internationally through the various approaches which are unique to export digital marketing. It means how you engage the customers, what are the things you have to take care when you are doing the export digital marketing, what are the principles of export digital marketing, which I will be discussing with you in a very innovative way. If you remember these principles, it will become very easy for you to apply them. Apply the knowledge and the skills which I will be sharing on how to effectively carry out the digital marketing communication with the customers, how to carry out the digital marketing messaging in most effective way in a global environment, in a global platform. And I will also tell you and define to you that in today's world, what actually is the international person or the people you are trying to woo. So whether it is the person which is based in a particular country or whether it is a person which is part of a community. So I will try to share with you things, taking some examples or some case studies or some stories of my own experiences. So that will be my approach. So I invite you to the next episodes of this course, which will be the way I have just explained to you in this episode. And I hope you enjoy this course and you become very confident in the export digital marketing. Thank you very much.